If you want to use a SafeNet key-secure appliance to store account passwords, you must first configure secure communication between the appliance and the Centrify connector. Provide the IP address or the fully qualified domain name of the key management appliance and specify the port number. And then from under password storage, you can be able to select the SafeNet key secure appliance for storing the passwords. Have any questions on PAM integration? Contact Senovate for seamless integration of custom privileged access management solutions. Learn more about Senovate secrets in our next video. Follow us to stay updated.